Alright, so today video we are going to integrate with the Net Sanities using this toolkit from Sanity.io toolkit for Next.js app here. So we are going to use this one to integrate to Sanity Studio, which is a CMS really famous. If you guys don't know, let's check out their homepage, which is really cool and it's really famous. And they have a lot of plugins that we can play around. Right, so today we are going to integrate this one into our landing page and to make it into the blog ones, so it will be able to show some of the blog we are current write and some of the work we want to make it dynamic data. So basically we are going to integrate blog and work. Alright, I think we can get started then. Alright, so firstly you guys can go into the Next.js Sanities and you install based on which one you are using. So in the sense I will install this Nest Sanity first here, and we are going to install this one also based on the documents. So it's a little bit complexity for beginner. I am also beginner, so we will figure out together if we find some of the trouble. Okay, alright, okay, finish. Another one. Cool, it also finished for this one. So we are going to use let's check the usage to run. We recommend to create a client.ts util sanity client, right? So util we have sanity in here. So now, so in here we have client.ts, right? So we copy this one. So we need the env for this. So we are going to create a env in here. Okay, you guys need to go outside in here and create, outside here, create an env. Okay, so in here it will have two of the envs. In here we have this one and we have this one and we have this. Okay, it's just on it, and we have here equal. So just bear with me, this one going to use in our dashboard. That's what it means. So let's stick to the documents. Let's see. Okay, there is no document for this. Alright, I think I need to have few more of this one. Okay, so basically there is no document for this one. Alright, so for next step we are going to have sanity init, but we're going to init the studio into our code base. So you guys can create a new project, enter, and your name is going to be YouTube, depend on what you want to do, right? Okay, so they will ask with some of the questions, default configurations, yes. So they will create data for us. I guess we don't need this env. You guys can, I'll just leave it there. You guys would like configure files projects, yes. Oh, sorry, before you do it new actions, just remember to remove this one first. Okay, remove this one and remove the env also, like this. All right, so this CL we're going to be automate integrate that's one for us. So do you want studio? Yes. For route, yes. So this is they asking for the path, so we are going to do something like this. So you want to have clean project with no predefined schema type, or you want block already have schema, so we're going to choose in block, right? Okay, block. So like I mentioned, do you want to have an env file? Yes. Okay, so they will automate do this configurations for us. Here we have the sanity in here, we have the studio, right? So later we're going to have the path Lite Studio. Okay, so just wait a minute for this. Okay, so if you guys having this kind of error when you guys installed, so because my already have few of the dependencies they already have in here, but I think you guys won't have this kind of error, the same like me. So in the sense, I will clear this ones. So if you want to make sure that nothing happens, you guys please go to the studio path in your Next.js ones. So in here we go to studio, and you will see another error with form the grok ones. So we cannot access into the studio if we not allow to some of the domain to able to access it. So we need to enable when we go into this part, so it will take a while for this. Okay, so let me check on the code base, is it something new? Okay, for example, if we env, we have a data for this. We also have the sanity CIL, and they also have configuration for us like this. And in the sanity, we have the lib with e client for this, a little bit laggy. Okay, client. We have image, and we have env. We have schema, which is to export into the studio using the type and the schema here. So we can see the block we are currently, they will have the kind of the field like this. So we will see later. Why it took so slow again? Okay, so in here you guys have sees we have title for the block, we have slug, and we have outer, we have main image, and we have a few more category for for the block, and we have publish as, we have body for the block content, and for the review it will have title and author name. Okay, so when you go into this one, this will have error like this, it will appear, right? Okay, prepare. So you need to click continue. When it's showing up, you need to click continue to go to this one to able to add to the localhost for this. Here you can see allow localhost following connect the project API like this one. So you add cross options, so it will return back to the studio, and you will see all the schema we are defined. They define for us here. So before with that, we need to connect to the provider. So in case we choose GitHub for this. Alright, wait a moment. So if you guys have kind of trouble like me, this one is the header of the layout. So it's kind of confused when I got this kind of issue, but I don't want to see it. So okay. So I will create a layout for this in here, but it's alright. Maybe you guys can figure out how to do it. This is just the UI issues. You can create a custom layout in here maybe later, but this video is not for this. So we are going to go into the boss one. We create a boss in here. If you see you have oh come on. So I will go into command this one and footer, bottom them. Let's see, something changed. Okay, when we comment, so it should disappear basically. Okay, alright, it's gone. So we create a new boss for this based on the schema they define for us, right? So we create a new boss. In here we have title for this, we have interior design. Okay, we generate the slug like here. We have outer, we can create outer like this. For example, we have a Bruno design, no, architecture, okay, slug for this. We don't need an image for me, so I'll publish author for this. And okay, that's good to go. Close this one, and then you go in here, you go to upload one of the image you want to use, the main image. So I will use this image here. Okay, so it will upload in here. Where is it? Okay, so it's already here. So category not yet. So for the public ads, I want to make sure that I don't take the time for this. So this is currently to take the time for this, because in the schema they are defined. If you go to the block one, you will see the here public ad date time. So we don't need time for this, which this date. So you guys just do dates like this one. So when you go back, it will refresh one more time or not. Okay, so in here you guys can choose it. So it takes time, you see. Alright, so it's just automatic reset for me. So okay, we choose again in here. Okay, it's only date, that's what I want. So we go to the lorem ipsum. Alright, so we create a copy of the text in here, and we put in here like this one, right? And we publish this. Okay, so I will create few more of this. I will pause the video, and you guys can create few of this one also. So I will get back to you guys later when I finish. Okay, I just create 2 more for this one. So right now, our next step, we're going to go to the code base and fetching the data shown in the block route. Alright, let's start it then. Okay, so we are going to go to the sanity folder. You gotta go to the lib one. So you guys can create another one. We're going to name it boss like this. So in here we're going to fetching the data with some of this query. So you guys can boost in here. We get count query, and we're going to use the syntax of grok one. It's from recommend from it's a must from sanity, and we have also the GraphQL also, but this one is kind of popular with the sanity. So we're going to use this one to fetch in like this one. So you can see here, this is the one we want to go. For example, we're going to go to the type of boss, right? So this is type boss here. You can see it's boss. So in each schema in here, in each field, we're going to have the name like this, title, slot, author. So we're going to use exactly the same for the grok one, but we will have few more in-depth techniques. For example, you have author right over here, and we will have like main image from here, and we will have category, we will have publish ad, okay, and we will have body. Alright, and that's it. That's all we can need to do. We need to do it. And from here we're going to export a function for us to able to fetch in us. So we have a function for this. Guess boss, for example. No, we will have functions. Okay, so in here we're going to have return the await, and we will use glide here dot fetch. So we will pass in the query here. So you guys will make it easy, just like guess boss query here. So it's more specific one, able to know it. So when to use it, so we have this one already, right? So you guys go to the block one, you create a page. If you don't have the folder, just create a folder first, and we're going to have I think it's in here. So in here we're going to have this bot. Okay, so it's a block page. So in here we're going to have the data first, boss data, await. We need to must get boss sanity query, here. Okay, you guys need to have away, and this one will be cause actions function. Oh, sorry, here. Right. Okay, so we want to test it. Just log it out to see what are we doing. So this is blog page here. Okay, all right, let's check. Blog. Let's see. Do we have something? We have error. We have something. Still logged in. I don't know why it took so long. Maybe because my computer, my MacBook was. Okay. Here. Alright. So we have title. Hold on. Why we just have two? We actually have three. Okay. We're not saving this one yet. This one still have not published. So you guys go to publish this one. Don't be forgot like me. And we are able to see two of the data already published over here. Alright, so if we just use it in here, for example, we have the title. So for example, we have in here, right? We have boss data dot map. So we're going to return some of the element in here. So the div in here. So the first one gonna be like this. So in here you have the boss for this and index, right? So the key going to be also index in here, don't forget. So the boss going to have a title like we are seeing it in here. So what did I just say? Here. Okay, is it render or not? Okay, so it's already render. 1, 2. Let's refresh this again. So because the built-in form 1, 2. So we can see it's only 2 because you know why? Because it's have the validate on the guestbot here. So we must have a kind of validations for this badass. So let me check on these validations. Get back to you guys later. Alright, get back to you guys. So I just find out that when you are fetching like this one, we need to have a validate in here. So in the sense, I used to have a kind of issue like this one when we change some data in Next.js, but we have not received is because the cache. So I think this is the solution for this revalidate. But I see people using this. For example, get minutes is more feasible than get seconds. So get seconds, so every seconds we will revalidate. So in here we get minutes, but some of these they also get hour for this one. So I also solve in here. Here, look for update revalidate cache every hour. So I think we can keep it with hour like this one. Okay. So in here it's told an error for this. Because it's maybe have any type, but I think in this sense no, we need to have a type for this one. Alright, so we create a type for this. Alright, so we're going to create a type directly in the queries like this ones. We're going to have type boss in here. In here we're going to have export this one, please export this. Okay, so we have title, we have slot current dot string. Okay, let's see in here. We have, what do we have? We have slot current string. We just have this. We have author. So the author going to have this kind of string. Also we have main image going to have access. So in here we are going to have this only access like this. Access. Okay, save it. Category we don't need. Publish as we need. So we have the public dash. Okay, for this. So this will going to be string. So you gotta look at date, but it will return string. So this will be a problem. Okay, so I think that's it. All right, let's check. something wrong. Something wrong. Where is it? Oh, I think this one. Because of this. Oh, where does it come from? Alright, so it's just combine. So in here it's combined success, but in here told the error string. Alright, so I think the error because we do the image my image. So this is the way to get the image URL. So we're going to copy this one. So we put into here. Remember to make a comma. Sorry guys. Okay, so you can see here we have the image URL in here. Let's see, is it the image we want? Right, so this is the image, the correct image. Right, so in here we're going to attach this one like this, for the boss. Sorry, in here we have boss. Okay, so array, so it's array boss like this one, so it will find like this one. So here the few thing I want to make sure that we have this. Alright, let's remove it. So query. Okay, so we have current, we have publish as, and we don't have we need to have image URL in here, make a string like this one, so we can able to use it. Right, so in the page, so in here going to have a image, right, source, and it will be have boss dot, okay, image URL in here. So we need to have alert, maybe we have like boss title for this, and we need to have width for this one. It will going to be 320. So the height, okay, so the height going to be 400, right? I don't know why this is still an error. Okay, so maybe you can do it like this. It's beautiful. Alright, it's fine. Okay, let's check. Image source is missing, right? Somehow the computer is kind of slow, but it will be faster. Okay, let's check. Okay, so we need to register this CDN if you guys having this error. So you guys need to go to the configurations of the Next.js here. You need to register like this one. So in this sense, I will going to replace. No, not going to replace. I will going to use like this. So you remove this one. So you need to register the host name in here. Okay, this will be good. Okay, no man, it's not even saved in here. So okay, so we need to start it again. Run dev in here. Let's remove it. Okay, let's check for this. Yeah, it will take a while, guys. Okay, so we are able to fetch in the image and the title for the content for this. So in this sense, we are going to build a layout for this blog post in here, and we're going to get back to you guys later when I finish this one. Alright, so this is my first styling for this one. So if you guys can see it here, in here we have two more informations, is the author and the publish as date. So in here you can see here, this is really basic structure of the tailwind. I don't want to record it because it will take more time for you guys. So I just bold it. You guys, if you want to go it, you guys can pause it and just go along with me. So but in here we have the boss.title for the name of the one. We have the boss.author for this one, and we have the boss.publish is for the date, and we have the image in here. So to work too fast, that you gotta remember, because we have the type of this one, you gotta remember to add the author.string in here, image strings and publish string for this. So for the query one, so this is a little bit tricky. When you have the author only, it will return of kind of informations like reference, because we have the category. Let me show you. Okay, we have the category for the author, right? In here, author, we have category for this one. So when you guys select this, it need to have kind of a reference ID, so you guys can tag it into this name. But for the raw one, we can use the syntax like this one. So the author, you guys can tag it into directly the name, so it will return exactly the name of the author over here. And you guys can customize like this way, author, and return the exactly name. So in here you guys can have author, it need to match with this one, right? Okay, so because we have the author over there, so basically in here we can use it over here to show it in there. So the next video we're going to deep dive into this one. When it clicks to this one, it will go into a detail page with the block where we render all the text over there. So it will be very more convenient for this project. So but currently we are code, it's not too fast, but it's not too slow, I believe. So you guys can create few of the schema type based on this one. So in here we have the title for the box one, we have slug, we have few more. So you guys can go to the sanities in here. So you guys want to have few more of the informations, you guys can go to the documentations, and it will show directly into the our community. So it will have here, for example, template and plugins. So you will have few more guide for schema. If you guys want to just search it for this good schema, you will see really different quality resource in here. Alright, so today video we are going to just be to able to fetch the data from sanities only. And if you guys follow it to the end, so it's really good for you guys to able to see the data like this one. If not, just go back and watch it again. Alright, so thank you for you guys for stay to the end. So in the next video we'll go to deep dive into detail with sanities and the JS. Right, okay, thank you guys, have a nice weekend you guys. Ciao.